Today I'm going to show you my great paper jets. I got it out of this book. They're all right there. I still have like 5 more to do all the ones that are on the book. Let's start off this one. I think it's the MiG-9. It was pretty good. Now this one's horrible. Concorde. It's good in real life, but not half the tape things. This one, Boeing 727. It's horrible too. I don't know what happened. I worked so hard on it. Now, this one, kind of good, but it fell down. This one, I think is the best. It's like really good. Yeah. Now this one's another good one. Fell over there. Another one, or one all the way over there. And now this one, I worked on it today. I think it's pretty good. Let's try it. That was really good. And on my last one, this one. Okay, that was horrible. Okay, thanks for watching.